Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what you need and creating the working canvas. Open your editor and set the document to the target resolution, 1920 x 1080 for desktop or 1080 x 1920 for phone. Import the background image, the name text as a separate layer, and any logo PNGs. Once done, make sure layers are organized. Background at bottom, name centered on its own layer, logo above or below depending on focus. This step prevents rework and keeps scale consistent as you proceed. Now you design the name itself and make decisions that affect readability. You choose one or two fonts, pair a bold sans with a lighter serif for contrast, and set the size in pixels so the name fills the focal area without touching margins. Then apply effects: a subtle drop shadow, a 2,4px stroke, and a gentle gradient overlay to create depth. Once applied, test legibility by toggling the background. Make sure the name remains clear against bright or busy areas. Finish by exporting and validating the wallpaper for its intended use. Export a PNG for maximum quality, a JPG at 80% to save space, or SVG if you need scalable vector text. Preview at 100% and at the device resolution to confirm crisp edges and correct alignment. If text looks blurry, increase document DPI, rasterize at a higher resolution, or boost contrast and stroke width. One key tip: if shadows or strokes appear odd, toggle layer blending modes until they match the background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.